Welcome to the last week of August 2026. Here we're going to show you our the market outlook for the last week, technically and fundamentally why we're buying and why we're selling. So on Euro USD, okay, we're looking at shorting, and yeah, you can see. Let me go over to our screenshots for last week. So you can see our signals for last week. We had this prices. We had these prices, and for Euro USD we bought. You can see, and for GBP USD we actually bought, which ended up at this price. So coming back here, and now we are shorting. So we need to short because the market is bullish, but then we need to wait for the next FOMC before we have another big move in the forex market. So, and for this week, I don't think we have any major news. Let's see. There's no major news on GBP or Euro or USD. Okay. So these are the major news on Friday, basically. And AUD, we have the CPI on AUD. We have the GDP on USD on Wednesday. So basically, technically, we should be looking at the sell position. Okay, so why are we shorting? Technically, this is under a resistance zone, and the market needs to fill up this gap up, this candle down to this price. So what we're gonna look at is down here. The analysis is gonna look like this. So let's say the analysis down here. So we are shorting down, and then we want to form another higher high. Actually, the market is in an upside. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. We can't say this is 4, so we can say here 4, right? We can actually put a 4 here. So when the market comes back here, then we continue to the upside. And even if we have down here, if the market comes down there, then we are still valid to the upside. And let's see this. Buy. Okay, so we are looking at this. So the market could actually come this way, maybe down here, up again, and down again here, and down here. So, and then we are looking at here, right? We're looking at here, 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 and here. Okay, so this is what the market would look like. Okay, so we are still looking to the upside, but I think for this week the market wouldn't have that strength to pull up. So I think we should be looking at short end for this week. All right, so let's go over to GBP USD and finding out what it's right there. GBP. Okay, so GBP USD. All right, so it's quite bullish, and after the CPI, which was last week, which was neutral, and already the GBP has been showing good bullish movement, So on the upside, you can see this pattern. Here we had here, bull. But here, I don't think this market can pull up here for this week. So I want to bring it down here again, right? So I would have to wait until this market drops to this price. So this will look like this. So we are not looking at short end because it's still bullish, but then we have to wait. I would prefer buying on a lower price, 1355. Okay, so anticipating this market, we would look at these like we should look at this like this now. Okay, so if we're going to wait down, so maybe it could still get back here and down here, down here, down here, down here, down here. Okay, so we are looking at this probably still down, 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 down. Okay, to the upside, down back here. So we're still going to the upside. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so basically, I think this is what the market will look like for waiting for this buy to happen. So we need to wait. We need to wait and see. So we're still bullish, but entering at that price could be risky. Yeah, but buying with the trend, of course, is not really that risky. So we have to wait because next month, I think the third week is FOMC, so which will drive the market, and then we're gonna hold the straight to the upside. We're gonna hold the straight to the upside here. Okay, you can see to that level. All right. So on here's the card. And here's the card. And here's the card. So we are looking at the downside. Okay, we're looking at the downside because of the gap up that happened here. So the market opened with a gap up. So we're looking at the downside coming down to 136,941. Okay, within that range. So I think basically these are the higher probability setups that I would want to share and seeing what the markets would be doing within this week, the last week of August. All right, so we offer account management for our investors that want to trade with us. So you can sign up for our account management service. Okay, you can sign up for our account management service so we can get to manage your Forex account as professionals. And also you can follow us for more educational content like this. So we have running trades currently. We were in already in the market, so this is what we are looking at doing. All right, yeah, so that is it for this week. If any other opportunity surfaces, then we would share. We'll be doing this Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, and also we're looking at launching a live trade for next month. So send us a message. You can visit us on 7figuregt.com on our website. You can go on Instagram 7figuregt. Okay, send us a message and follow us on YouTube and also on Instagram. All right, so wish you a successful trading week ahead and see you. Trade for profit.